How to become video editor? That's a question that a lot of people ask me because I'm not gonna lie, that's a very awesome profession since you can apply for a remote job. And being able to have a skill that you can work remotely nowadays is so important because that brings life quality. You can work in your personal project. And the first thing you need to become a video editor is a good computer. If you're not able to invest in a computer right now and you're able to edit with your phone, that's not a bad start. It's better doing right now and start as soon as you can than waiting long amount of time that you can't afford a computer so you can start working on your skills. It's that saying that the tools are not the most important. The most important that you can apply your skills right away so you can start exercising that and improving on it. And the second thing you need to have in mind if you're starting as a video editor is that you gotta invest on the software you're gonna choose. Myself, I chose Premiere because I was always having an eye to the industry. So Premiere back then was the tool that everybody was using in the industry. So I just applied myself on learning this one. But literally it's the same thing as a camera. If you know basic of exposure, you can use any camera you want. It is the same. If you know basic of editing videos, you can use any software you want. But let's say if right now with the skills I have on Premiere, I'm gonna switch for DaVinci Resolve, for example, the challenge is gonna be to use the same speed I use to edit videos on Premiere on DaVinci Resolve. So first, ask yourself, are you gonna use your editing skills only to YouTube videos or more freelancing where you are the only one that have control of the situation? So just choose whatever software you want. But now if you're planning to work in a company, if you want to apply to jobs on LinkedIn or whatever, it's better to just look around and search a little bit more on what software is the most used in the industry. That I believe is Premiere and Avid Compose. But I will leave it up to you because there is also the investment related to the software you choose. The third step is once you have the computer and the software, you just gotta focus on the structure on becoming a video editor. I have a video that just talk about that, the mindset behind it that you can apply on any software you choose, but it's basically learning how to import in your videos, how to cut your videos, to remove the bad things, to organize your videos in an idea that can tell a story, and also how to export in different formats and sites so you can get a video and put on TikTok and Instagram or anywhere you want to put your video on. Now that you already have your computer and your software and you know the basics about video editing, you just gotta focus on editing videos. And it's basically by doing. You can either do your own footage and practice in your house, or you can grab someone's footage or even maybe stock video footage. One quick, easy beginner idea to start your video editing career is to do short form videos. Short form videos is very easy to edit because it's usually just a 15 seconds video, and that's not gonna ask a lot of skills of yourself. You wanna see? Just go in a website, search for dentist, and you can grab some dentist stock footage video, and then you can go on Canva. Canva right now have a lot of tools and you can apply on editing vertical videos for Instagram. You can search for some sort of templates to add some text, and then you can search on your Instagram dentist around, let's say I live in Toronto, Canada, so dentist Toronto, Canada. Then you can find one dentist, see what type of service he offers, let's say cleaning, extraction, and something else, I don't know. And then you can add those texts on top of the video, download the video from Canva, and then reach out to this person and say, are you looking for some short video formats to your Instagram so you can attract more clients and post this video as an Instagram reel? The first one is probably gonna say no to you, so you gotta keep trying more and more. Let's say you reach out 30 dentists in one day, and then you can start charging, let's say $70 for one reel, and then give this person 4 video reels so he can have content for the rest of the month. And boom, very quick you became a video editor and you're doing stuff in your house without leaving your chair. Very quick and easy. Now, not everybody wants to be a freelance, not everybody has this vendor, so with the basic video editing skills you can start already applying for jobs, and you can look for jobs around you. A lot of jobs nowadays, they're just looking for video editors that can do short videos, the TikToks and Instagram Reels thing. And with the skills you already achieved, you can start applying for those jobs. But please don't forget to put together that portfolio or that demo reel that can show off a sample of your work and things you can do. Now, if you're already over this stage, if you already know everything I'm talking about until this minute right now, I'm gonna tell you to start diving into motion graphics. Motion graphic is an awesome add-on on top of your video editing skills. You can illustrate ideas with image and context, even for online courses or YouTube videos like that. Knowing motion graphics is very essential and it's gonna bring your video for the next level. Now, if you don't have time and you don't like motion graphic as much, just learn how to choose the right templates, and here on my channel I already talk about in a very easy way on how to combine After Effects with Premiere so you can make a video pop. If you want to start your video editor career right now, tell me here in the comments that I would love to make a video teaching you on how to use Premiere and all the basics. But if you're still in the beginner phase and if you want to understand more about the mindset behind a video editor, I recommend you watch this video that I just explained the basic mindset so you can start editing videos even in a phone or any software you choose as soon as possible. But thank you for watching until here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give a like to tell YouTube that you like contents like this, and see you in the next video.